السلام عليكم.
Welcome to part 10 of our Arabic learning series, where we are exploring colors. The first word is
أحمر
which means red. Next is
أزرق
meaning blue. The next word is
أخضر
which means green. After that comes
أصفر
meaning yellow. Next is
برتقالي
which means orange. The next word is
بنفسجي
meaning purple. After that comes
وردي
meaning pink. Next is
أسود
which means black. The next word is
أبيض
meaning white. And the last word is
رمادي
which means grey. Practice these color words by naming objects around you in Arabic. You'll master them in no time. Thank you for learning with me today. You did an amazing job. Keep practicing, and your confidence will grow every day. Next up, Arabic Learning Series, Part 11, Numbers. Wishing you joy and success on your Arabic journey. Goodbye and peace be with you. Can't wait to see you in the next lesson.